Welcome to another installment of Softbrik survey tutorials. So today we are going to add a number field with conditions and constraints. What do I mean by that? Sometimes maybe you have to take input for age and maybe you cannot have that survey for anyone younger than 18. So how to do that fast? Let me show you. As usual, we go to Softbrik and we will choose our sample survey, which, just to remind, hasn't been published yet, which means we can keep on editing it. We go to the builder and we already see the elements that we have added. I press add element. There is a text input field which is good for names, emails, numbers and short answers. Here we call it your age requirement. And let's assume that this survey is for employees between the age of 18 to 60. So we just change the text input to number. We call it your age. The minimum input is kept at 18. The maximum is kept at 60. And let's assume that you can only add each year. So 37.5 is not a valid answer. 37 or 38 is. So we add that. We go ahead, done, and we press preview. As usual, it is not a published survey, so a warning. Come to the end. Your age, let me put 17. And it says field cannot be less than 18. Let me put 61. Field cannot be more than 60. So it has to be somewhere between 60 and 18. So that's about it. The quickest and fastest way to create a survey field with number constraint, and you can even change the value steps. I hope you like this short tutorial. Thank you.